Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video on Artland, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bowl of chili. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our bowl of chili, I'm going to begin by making a line across. So I'm just going to start right here, and we're going to make a little line that comes across here for the top of the bowl. Starting here, I'm going to curve a little line, and I'm going to bring this across. And then I'm going to curve it right around here. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up in like a smiley face shape. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to come over and up. Now up here, I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy kind of shape all on top of here to make the chili. And then I'm going to make a wavy line across here. I'm also going to add some small little rectangles coming across the top and some inside, make it look like there's cheese on the chili. So we're just going to throw a couple of them in here. And then I'm going to add some extra little bumpy lines in here just to make a little bit of detail inside of our chili. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over, and then we're going to bring it back down for the spoon. Now I want to put a little face on our chili bowl. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Make a line across, and a big smile, and a little line across for the tongue. Then I'll go ahead and just color in this part of the mouth. Then right across here, I'm just going to make a little bit of a wavy line for some details on the bowl. And I'll do the same thing down here, just make a little wavy line. And there you go, there is your drawing of a bowl of chili. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.